Hello friends, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to my channel Total Reality. In this video, I will reveal you all the facts and figures and histories and the time which will be beneficial for you to do Saraswati Devi Puja, which is also known as Basant Panchami Puja. So in this video, I will reveal you all the dates, all the puja time which is beneficial for you, the history behind this festival, and the significance of this festival in our country. So this is my first video which I am reciting in English. Most of my videos are in Hindi, but as I already mentioned that from this day I will also post my English videos regarding the true facts, the auspicious facts of Indian gods and goddess, especially Hindu gods. So as far as this video is concerned, it is about how to do Saraswati Devi Puja and the significance of this puja and why this puja is very important for students as well as businessmen as well as for everyone, because Saraswati Devi is the giver of you can say arts, knowledge and education. She is the goddess of education, arts and you can say the hobbies and interests of a particular human which are beneficial for them. So as far as starting of this video, Basant Panchami, or we can say Vasant Panchami in other way, is an auspicious festival of the Hindus which is celebrated with great pomp and show across India on the 5th day, which is Panchami Tithi of Hindu month of Magh Shukal Paksh. It is also called Shri Panchami in the southern part of India and is dedicated to Devi Saraswati, who is the wife of Lord Brahma, considered by the Hindus as the goddess of knowledge, music, learning and arts. That thing I already mentioned you in the starting of the video. So worshippers, or we can say the true legends, philosophers, believes that without Devi Saraswati, the world would be shrouded with ignorance, or we can say illiteracy, as she is the one who represent enlightenment. True enlightenment removes all the illiteracy of this world. Hence Devi Saraswati is worshipped on this day along with celebrating the agricultural fields ripening and yellow flowers of mustard crops. Especially yellow or Basanti is believed to be Devi Saraswati's favorite color, and all celebrations include a shade of yellow, be it in decorations or attires. Vasant Panchami is also believed to be the most auspicious day to get married, to start a new work, to start a new business, to start a new partnership venture, or any of that work which you wanted to start as a fresh start. You can start it on today itself. Date and puja time which are beneficial for doing this puja are: this year Vasant Panchami shall be observed on Feb 16, 2021. The Panchami Tithi shall start at 3:36 am on Feb 16 and will continue till 5:46 am on Feb 17. Although the entire day is considered as being auspicious, the whole day is auspicious after 3:36, as I already mentioned in above lines. The right time for doing the puja is in the afternoon, which is 12:35. So now I will reveal you the puja process on this day. As I told you that for every festival there is a story behind, there is a history behind every festival that Hindus observed. So in this process, on this day, worship of Maa Saraswati is conducted not only in homes but also at educational institutions like schools, colleges and all. So get up early in the morning, take a bath and wash and clean the house of worship. Then worship Ma Saraswati and offer flowers to them. Chant their mantras. Wearing yellow clothes will be better on this day. Make some sweet dish of yellow color on this day. Especially eating yellow rice is considered appropriate on this day. Apart from this, there is also a law to worship instruments and books on this day. There is also a mantra which is Om Shri Saraswati Shukla Varna Sansmita Somno Harm Koti Chandra Prabha Pushti Yukti Vigram Vrahi Shuddha Shukradhana Veena Pustakam Dharinim Ratan Sarane Nirmana Bhushnam Bhushitam Supujitan Sargrah Brahma Vishnu Shiva Dabi Vande Bhaktya Vanditacha. This is the mantra you can pronounce or recite after sitting in front of Devi's idol, or you can say a pic is also good for doing this puja. So the history behind is, as per the Hindu mythology, Brahma created the universe and impressed with the creation and wanted to see it with his own eyes. Hence he sets out on a journey, but was disappointed with the complete silence and loneliness of everyone on the planet Earth. After giving it a lot of thought, he had an idea and had an idea according to which he took some water in his kamandal and sprinkled in the air. An angel with a harp in the hand appeared from a tree and was requested to play something. Brahma or Brahmdev asked her to do this so that the earth was not silent, and angel obliged to bless the people on the earth with her voice, filling the plants with music. That angel came to be known as Devi Saraswati or Veena Vadini, a harp player, the goddess of speech, knowledge, music and art who provides voice, intelligence, force and glory. The significance behind this festival I will explain you now is that it considered of king of all seasons, and springtime is not only a symbol of prosperity but also extremely auspicious to start a new work, get married or to perform housewarming ceremony, which is also known as Grah Pravesh in Hindi. So this is the significance of this festival, and on this day yellow colored clothes have been worn by many peoples. Devi is worshipped by yellow sweets. Yellow sweets is distributed among beggars for more betterment and fulfillment and more benefit of yourself. You can do that. So till then, I am signing off. Himanshu this side. This is my channel Total Reality. Please do like, share, subscribe this channel and give your love and support forever. Thank you. Jai Mata Di.